Well, here is our hostess for this awesome collab today. The Grace Live DIY Home Decor Lifestyle Channel. Oh my gosh, she is an awesome channel also and comes up with so many different things on her channel to enjoy. Let's go see what she's been up to lately. She is busy every single day putting new content up on her channel. She does cooking videos, shopping hauls, all kinds of vignettes, tablescapes. Oh my gosh, every Tuesday is Tablescape Tuesday. She's doing grocery hauls now, and there is so much to see on her channel. You cannot possibly get bored watching this channel. She always has something interesting to see. Well, let's go see what her co-host is today. Well, here is our awesome co-hostess, Buckeye Girls Decorate and Lifestyle. She's an awesome channel, and I've been following her a couple of years. She's doing pretty good. She's got over 1,000 followers now, and she joins in all the time and is a great friend to all. She's always coming up with something new and different on her channel. And as you can see, she is always putting content up. It's always different and lots of things to enjoy. You will love all the content she does, and she is so crafty too. Does a lot of great DIY projects. Some great displays, as you can see. For Mardi Gras, for St. Patrick's Day, there's always something beautiful on her channel. Please go check it out. Well, let's go see what Grandma did for St. Patrick's Day, and I did a cozy corner display. Sit down, we're ready to share it with you. I did 2 little different versions. Let me know which one you like the best, version 1 or version 2. Well, here we have our beautiful little St. Patrick's display in the cozy corner. I thought it turned out pretty nice. What do you think? I brought these beautiful flowers in from the garden. They were in their own container. I bought these at Trader Joe's. I bought a pair of them for $8.99, and I thought that was a pretty good price. And they still haven't all the way opened up and bloomed. But I do have 3 that are going to be opening up even prettier in a few more days. This one is starting to open up, and these will also be. So we'll be doing quite a few displays with these beautiful plants for the next few days. I have my air plants out here. I always love sharing them. They're just so beautiful to have something alive in the cozy corner. So we have a lot of live plants today, don't we? We have our beautiful tulips here and a lot of other things going to be opening soon. We have our little air plants scattered about, and we have our little elf all dressed up for St. Patrick's Day. Doesn't she look pretty? And her little sign says, Happy St. Patrick's Day. Doesn't she look beautiful? Her beautiful blue eyes and her rosy cheeks and her pretty little dress, so beautifully put together, and her green tights and her green little booties. Don't they look precious? Look who stopped by to join with us today. It was King Frog, and he loves coming and spending time with us. And we have our little pot of gold, and gold coins scattered all about. And I wanted to share this cute little cup. It says Think Green, and the little shamrock sunglasses. Don't they look cute? And here's my pretty green cup for St. Patrick's Day. Doesn't it look beautiful? And do you notice the little gnome, is wearing his sunglasses too, with the little shamrocks, just like Grandma's. Oh my gosh, aren't they cute? I thought this turned out really nice. What do you think, guys? A beautiful St. Patrick's Day in the corner, in Grandma's Cozy Corner. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. Thought it turned out great. We have our green shamrock right here in the background and a couple of Grandma's little white butterflies she loves sharing. And of course, a beautiful white teapot. You know, the Irish always love a great cup of tea. Thank you all for stopping by. Thank you for all your kindness and all your support. Always enjoy hearing from you, my sweet friends. Thank you so much. I took the elf out just to show a little bit plainer way of doing this display. I thought it looked very nice. You still see the teapot and you still have the king frog and the beautiful St. Patrick's Day cup and my little glasses. Thought it turned out pretty nice. Did you like the first one or the second one the best? I liked them both. They were a little different, but maybe I like the second one the best. So you let me know what was your favorite. We still use all the beautiful fresh flowers, and we still have Grandma's favorite white butterflies, and of course my air plants. Oh my gosh, doesn't it look beautiful? I thought it turned out great for St. Patrick's Day. What do you think?